Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to use Google Earth for virtual travel experiences. Let's start our virtual journey. Open your web browser and search for Google Earth or head to earth.google.com. So now you're set to explore the world from your screen. Type in a place you've always wanted to visit. For example, Paris, France. So all you have to do is to type in the search bar Paris, France, and then Google Earth will instantly take you there. So Google Earth will instantly take you there, revealing iconic landmarks like Eiffel Tower. So all you have to do is to use the navigation tools to pan, zoom, and explore to your heart's content. For a deeper adventure, click Street View to virtually stroll down the charming streets of Paris. So here is the street view, and let's click here. As you can see, we can explore the Paris using Google Earth. You can also switch to 3D view for a unique perspective of the city's architecture and layout. So let's stop and then let's click 3D. Very nice, right? And that's it. You now know how to use Google Earth for virtual travel experiences. Get ready to satisfy your wanderlust without leaving home. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to use Google Earth for virtual travel experiences. See you on my next video.